some of you know, Russ Brown Motorcycle Attorneys sponsors a free roadside assistance program for riders. It's all riders helping riders. That's how it's free. It's a buddy program and it works nationwide 24/7. Now at the end of every year, we give away a different bike as member appreciation. And our 2022 winner happens to be here with us at Chopperfest today. Murat, would you please come forward and accept your grand prize, this beautiful Harley-Davidson Lowrider X. Let's hear it for Murat, everyone. Congratulations, Murat. How are you feeling right now?
I'm very excited and I still can't believe that this motorcycle is mine. Thank you very much.
So when did you sign up for our program?
It was previous summer at Bartes Harley-Davidson store. So I just saw Russ Brown's attorney stand and went and asked what they are doing here. And they told about health program of riders.
Yeah, riders helping riders.
Yeah,
right.
it was very exciting for me. So I just want to became a part of this program. So I just signed it and today I win motorcycle.
Yeah, well, congratulations to you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for being a member of our program.
Join our Riders Helping Riders program and the over 2 million fellow bikers who have a strong backing of the original motorcycle attorneys. Get your free Russ Brown benefit card today.